Leak has been found with diluted Dawn soap. Yep, it's all right. Well, dang, that sucks. Didn't work. All right, I do have some rubber cement. I'm going to put that on my plug this time. See if it'll help it cure a little stronger, since the last plug failed. And this is just a golf cart, so. Too much. So we can pull it back out. That's about to fail. All right, let's try it again. Surprisingly, it's not leaking that much. Attempt number 2. Pushed a little bit too hard and popped that other one all the way in there. Let's try this again. There we go. Now, plenty of glue on that. Yep, there is. Here we go. Let's see if the glue don't hold up better this time. And that's what you need. Insertion tool, reamer, set of tire plugs.